In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single leg squat onto a box, otherwise known as a partial pistol squat onto a box. You'll notice here that the box that I'm using is really tall, meaning that there's not much range of motion when I do the exercise. I'm of course looking to start off as a trainer with all clients on something that is quite shallow in terms of the depth that they're coming into. And then as they start to progress, I'm looking to bring the box height lower and lower, increasing the client's range of motion. I'm going to show you two styles of this exercise. One is a beginner style and one is a more advanced style as well, and you pick whatever's appropriate to you. So when it comes to the start position, I have my clients with their feet together, heels against the box, and they just come out an inch or 2 inches away from the box. So they've not stepped out very far at all from the box. For the beginner version, what I'm looking for them to do is bend their left knee, or the knee that they're looking to squat down and utilize. The other leg is going to be completely straight, and what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to keep my knee straight, so facing directly forwards on my left side. I'm going to bend that left leg as I keep my right knee straight and come back out. And of course here you'll notice that my right heel is always on the floor as I sit back into my repetitions. Of course, when I want to make it harder, I can do exactly the same thing. However, this time I can bring my right leg completely off the floor. And again, I'm looking for the client to sit back into the squat and come back up, sit back into the squat and come up. I'm not looking for the clients to sit all the way, because they might then use momentum on the way up. So just a tap down of the bum when they come down and back up. Of course, over time, look to increase your range of motion. And if you don't have a box, you can use something like a bench in a gym. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, trying to keep the knee as straight as possible. And that is how to do a pistol squat partial, or alternatively, a single leg box squat.